Obviously something has gone wrong. Julian Sands seeking partner. A close friend and seeking partner of Julian Sands said it is obviously something has gone wrong after the British actor S disappearance in California S San Gabriel Mountains. Sands, 65, was reported missing more than 2 weeks ago after he failed to return from Maike in the Mount Baldy region. Numerous search for the actor have since been undertaken on foot and rail by the San Bernardino County Sheriff S department and other agencies. Fellow actor Kevin Ryan told the PA News Agency Sands is the most advanced care in our and would not go on unprepared. For me, each data who puts more pressure and brings a lot of doubting. Ryan, 38, said. But Julian is such an advanced care. It is what he did. His whole life was climbing mountains. It was a true passion of his a beyond experience and me opin that took the way some weren't can pull through The pair met on the set of 2014 US drama series Crossbones and developed a friendship which saw them working together. Ryan, who has climbed Mount Baldy a number of times, said, you got to think about that mountain. You can go there during the summer and it is a different mountain than it is during the winter. Especially with how heavy the water hit that area in Dash, that is a whole new trail. But that is something that Julian would have seen as a change, to go up in those conditions. He likes to push himself and is done that. And like anything, that makes you better, to push yourself in life. But in this situation, it is a very tricky, dangerous with these weather conditions. And obviously something has gone wrong. Hopefully with time way LL find out and hopefully it LLB the best result An aerial search was halted on Thursday when helicopters were grounded due to strong winds. Authorities have used a RECO device, which is able to detect electronics and credit cards. With the sheriff S department saying it is hopefully the technology will help to establish a more exact area in which to focus search efforts. Ryan added, the only reason is not out there joining the search party is because filming right now in Ireland. Otherwise I would be out there to give my support Thank the relentless efforts of the sheriff S department and support teams leading the search for Sands.